How to fix Smash Legends sound problem easy and quick. Today we will learn how to fix this problem. Let's start. Open the settings of your phone, click on apps option and search for Smash Legends and click. Scroll right now down this list, click storage option, click clear cache here. You just need to back right now, click for stop, click OK. Move to Play Store or App Store, update Smash Legends. Restart next your device when you are done, and that's all. Don't forget to like and also subscribe in this channel, and see you in another tutorial.